feet at. Have this heel straight to where your shoulder's at, okay? Have this toe straight to where your shoulder's at. Like if I was to stick a rod straight down there, there you go. Now remember I taught you with the BB gun? Both arms out like that, right? You're going to shoot with your pointer finger. Okay? You can pull this back and then hit this to shoot.
Can she
or
shoot
you
this
can
one?
pull the trigger.
I don't know.
Okay?
Well, we'll let her hold on to it.
I think,
Hold on.
yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
We'll see.
Pull down the hammer. Finger off the trigger. There you go. Now, hold on. Okay. Take your time. There you go. Hold on, take your time. Spin both elbows. And remember. There you go.